Today we're going to show you what we made bare hand.
We made it with balloons, just stuff.
First we got
our special
colour
changing. So it's orange. Squeeze it, turns it to brown. So cool.
And we also have this one.
It's kind of colour changing, and it feels really nice.
Yeah.
And next is our medium-ish, really cute face, squishy one.
From the ages of 3 and 12.
Yeah. And I like wiggling it around.
And then also it has a tapper on the top where you can flick it and squeeze it.
Okay, next is a really cute. This is our biggest and last. Wait, yeah, we did. Wait, did we do this one?
And we're going to make more with bare balloons.
And it's our biggest, really squishy balloons.
And that's all to do with the brain.
And
So
also,
come back if you want to watch us do make them.
yeah.